girls, and welcome to the Wallace Branch Library Children Craft class. My name is Sandra, and today I'm going to show you how to make glow-in-the-dark glitter. This glitter can be used to decorate your costume for Halloween. You can use it to decorate crafts and arts. If you're going trick-or-treating, you can decorate your shoes so your shoes can glow in the dark, or maybe your candy bag so that it'll glow in the dark. So let's get started making this fun glow-in-the-dark glitter. The material you'll need to do this craft is some bowls, some paint, neon paint, some spoon, and some Epsom salt. I got all these materials from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. We're going to take our teaspoon and we're going to scoop out 3 teaspoons of the Epsom salts and put it inside of our cup. And then we're going to choose the color we're going to use. Now we're going to choose the very, very bright neon colors like this green. This green looks very, very good for glowing. So we're just going to open that up and we're just going to put probably about half of it in there. Let's just put half of it in there. So let's just stir that up. You really could use that popsicle stick to stir that up. You really don't have to have the spoon. Let's just stir that. Now, as you can see, that Epsom salt is taking on that paint. We're going to stir that up and we're going to dump that inside our Ziploc bag. And we're going to give this about at least maybe 6 to 8 hours to dry. Now when it dry, it will be clumpy, kind of stuck together. So, but all we got to do is just break it up. Just break it up into small pieces. That's what the green look like. All we got to do is let it dry. That is a pretty green. Let's choose another color. 3 teaspoons of the Epsom salt. And we'll choose another bright neon color like this. Let's choose the orange. I like the orange, it's very bright. And like I said, we'll do about half of the little cup. Doesn't take very much. And we'll give it 6 to 8 hours to dry. Let's choose one more color. Let's try this yellow. And that's it. All we need to do is put this inside of a Ziploc bag and let it dry 6 to 8 hours, and we got glow-in-the-dark glitter. So let's just get it in a Ziploc bag. Our finished products. Do you want to see if they glow? Let's turn the light out and see if they actually glow. Green glow very good. The orange, it's kind of glowing, but not as good as the green and the yellow. I also did some other colors. This is what it looked like when it's dry. This is the orange. This is some pink. And this is some green. Another color, pink. And there you go, you got glow-in-the-dark glitter. Let me know if you try this DIY. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed your glow-in-the-dark glitter, and have a happy and safe Halloween.